What does it mean? I don't know. Chazal asked, our sages asked these questions. Why, when God wanted to tell us about the bad part of the world to come, hell, He described it to Moshe Rabbeinu in Mount Sinai from A to Z. There's a chapter of hell, describe the names of all the angels over there, the color of the fires, how many windows over there, how does the buildings look. It's unbelievable. Everything from A to Z. Which wicked people go to which section, for what sins, for how long. Everything is written. When it comes to heaven, to the good part, few sentences, that's it. So Chazal say, why? The answer is, because there's no way to imagine and understand the spiritual pleasure of God in this life. Because we are limited, we are under the influence of material here. We are in a materialistic body. Once we're gonna get from the material world, which is the 7th dimension, this world has 6 dimensions. South, north, east, west, up and down. Shabbat, the Sabbath, is the 7th day, which symbolize going out of the material world. That's why Hashem chose a period of 7, because 7 signifies spiritual thing. And Shabbat is not a day to sleep in bed because you work hard all day like some people think. Shabbat was given for the soul, for the communication with God. You understand? So the Shabbat symbolize going out of this temporary materialistic world. And over there, there's no way for us to understand, that greatness. But what do we need to understand? Isn't it God is faithful enough and reliable and honest that I should listen to His promise? And if He tells me that all the pleasure that we dream for this world, combined together for all over the people together, multiply by 70 years, לא ישבו לקורת רוח של שעה אחת בעולם הבא. It will not be equal to 1 hour of pleasure of the righteous people in the world to come. What are we going to lose with our stupidity for stupid things that we like in this life, here and there 5 minutes? We are going to give up such a reward. We'll never forgive ourselves. All we have to do is start talking to God. Help me out. Like you say Shema Israel. I want to be close to you. Show me the way. Show me the direction. I'm tired of this phony world. Everyone with a smile, all these illusions. Show me how to get close to you. I want to really be righteous, but it's hard for me. I don't know. Look at my family. Look where I come from. They don't believe in anything. They're anti-religion. They hate religion. Help me out. There's a book. I recommended it. Eli, you got that book already? There's a book. It's called Garden of Emunah, in English and in Hebrew. There's some gonna make in Persian if you want. Yeah. But it's called Garden Emunah. Garden of Emunah. It's a combination of a lot of chapters of Emunah means faith.
You wrote it?
I wish. I tell you, it's a combination of all the sources of faith in God. How to become closer to God. How to see the greatness of God in this life. How to be able to listen to Him without pain, without suffering. All it's a very, very recommended book. Shariar or Moshe, depend how you want, he can tell you that he already read that book. I recommended it to him. Does it give you strength in life or not? This is worth billions.
Makes it totally different perspective.
You can get it on Safra in Main Street in Queens, $11.99, and you have new life. And you'll never finish to admire the power of the Garden of Emunah. Garden of Emunah. Thank you very much. Yes. Questions after. Good night.